First, we have some foundation because it's very important and I cannot live with it. So I got this L foundation. I already have one in darker shade, but I wanted to try this in lighter shade, so I got this. And you see that there is so much dedication. I was waiting for all the boxes to come, and then I opened it, and here it is. It's so cute. I love this matte packaging. Not at all a mist fan, it's a hydrating coconut mist, and I wanted to buy this just because of the packaging. Literally, I buy elf things because of their cute packaging, and then I get hooked to it because it has like really good products and everything works so good. Then I keep on buying again and again. And this is again a new bottle, that's why it's taking too much time. And the mist is so fine, the bottle is so perfect, so I love it. I might buy this again even though I haven't tried it yet. I have changed some recording settings, that's why I think I might sound ridiculous, but don't go on that, just ignore it. I'm still learning, I'm still a kid. This is an elf brush. This is basically for highlighting, but I got this for contouring. Like, I saw this and I feel like I want to do contouring, so I just bought this. It's such a cute soft brush. I hope to get all other brushes too, but let's see, I can't even keep it like properly. Alrighty, next comes is this some skincare. I really want to have like a me day, so I bought some mask. This is the lip mask from Tony Moly. That's a Korean company, so I hopefully that's gonna be like a good mask. Other lip masks were very expensive, so I just got my hands on it. This is the eye mask. I never used it, and this is for the first time I'm gonna use, so I'm very like scared. And these shit are so expensive, like I mean really expensive. But anywho, I got this. This is supposed to be a luminous bronzer, so I got this. I didn't even know about the shade thing. I thought that's gonna be a little darker, but that is not dark. That's like my own skin color, because I use kind of darker foundation. So if I use this, I might use this as a highlighting powder, to be very honest. Like, you cannot even see that, but anywho, will work with that because the packaging is so cool. The glass packaging, I love this. I really want to get that rotating thing, that people keep on their dressing tables and put all their good cosmetics on it. I really want to do that, but let's see. So far so good, love it. Okay, now I'm way too obsessed, like I'm not keeping that shit down. So yeah. Next we have this makeup fixing spray. I didn't have, like, I have few, but I don't use it because I'm not a fan of it. And if you see me using same things, you might buy it, but actually it's a shitty thing. I have to use it because I just bought it, so I have to like make it use anyway. So I got this. I know that's gonna be good, so I just got it. This motherfucker had to blow the wand right now. So when I like bought all these things, there was a sale on Nika, so I thought let's why not get our hands on Morphe. I have seen so many people use Morphe, so I really wanted to use Morphe. See, the bottle is so cute. Again, the transparent, glass likey matte looking bottle. The mist is so fine, and literally it smells like nothing. Smells like nothing. There is no fragrance at all, and I know that's gonna be the best thing ever because there are so many people talking about it. So I don't know, my hopes are so high. This is from Bath and Body Works, I guess. Huh. So this is basically a shimmery body mist that I really wanted to get, but I forgot that it's gonna have some fragrance and alcohol in it, and if you put it on your bare skin on regular basis, then it might like age you faster. So that's something I didn't know, but after foundation and everything, if you use this, that's gonna look so good. I mean, look at this. This is so sparkly, so shiny with dresses and parties and everything. That's will look flawless, like beautiful. So yeah, I got this. Although it's like a guilty pleasure for me, but I really love it and I'm hoping to use it very soon. This is a contouring palette from Makeup Revolution. I saw really bad reviews for this one, so I really wanted to like try this. I am cuckoo for contouring, so I had to buy this and I had to try this. I don't understand one thing, that why people are calling that blusher. Like the other thing, that thing is not a blusher. This is, I don't know for which skin tone that's gonna like look like a blusher. I might use it as a bronzer, and the one they are calling bronzer, I might use that as a contour, but that is not a blush. Now I'm actually moving to buying really good lashes. The one I'm wearing is from Pack03, and now I got Twinkle in Kingdom of Lashes. I love this. I love Mink lashes. If you know, you know that lashes are like a game changer. They can make you literally like a queen, and there is this whole thing that how you should use it, how to apply your lashes. So do consider that when you buy these things. Next we have this mask. Told you this is all a preparation for me time. So basically this mask is like 3 in 1. That's gonna cover your neck and your lower neck and your face and your ears. So it's like a magical mask that I saw for the first time. So I just got this again. I think a Korean company. And another thing is that it's 3 in 1 plus there is a serum inside. So the only turn off about this thing is that the both things like the mask and the serum thing both has fragrance in it, so that is kind of a turn off for me, but I'm really looking forward to it because this is a new concept that's going to cover you whole. So yeah, looking forward to it. I hope more companies will make these masks in that shape, especially L'Oreal. You know how I once bought the color bar primer and I got all cuckoo for that. I have one color bar lipstick, I'm a cuckoo for that too, so I got their compact too. Like I'm literally just going towards color bar and trying their every product. So this is the compact. This is giving me Rem Beauty vibes, like literally the the whole case, alien case and everything. So that is different, like their packaging is so bougie. आई लव इट. इट इज़ इम्पॉसिबल कि मैं लॉरियल की बात करूँ और लॉरियल की कोई चीज़ और लॉरियल ना आए, तो मैं ये ले लिया मैंने. Nobody was talking about this shade and literally everybody is talking about different shade, so I had to try this, and surprisingly this is like my own lip shade. So I'm so happy that I got this. Next thing in my makeup boxes is this mask. So I haven't tried many things from Innisfree. I have just tried their hand mask and their foot mask, and I bought these two things again. I love the duo. It works wonders on skin. Your hands and feet get so soft after using this. So I got this. It's so nice. I can't wait to have this on. How I always brag about Swiss Beauty that it's such a bad brand, but I love their concealer for some reason, and it's like a very light kind of a lightweight concealer, so I just love it and I got it. And I also got one more concealer which is from Inside. Lately I am loving Inside, so I just wanted to use the concealer in concealer shade, and here I got this. The tube looks amazing. One more thing that I have is this NYX concealer. Like this is I think third concealer that I have, and this is in shade 04, and this is like of my same skin shade, so I am very excited. This is kind of a high-end product, so yeah. Another high-end, this is the Morphe lipstick. I cannot believe this, that I am actually buying NYX Cosmetics and Morphe Cosmetics. Like wow, this is something that I really love. Like the shade is amazing. I've always seen people talking about this and I got this. This is the K Beauty Compact, and this is what the shade is. This is literally like my shade, I believe, so I just got it and I had to try this because I love everything about the K Beauty, so we gonna try that too. This is this Innisfree Ka Pore Care Mask. I got this for free. Can't wait to try this because I love Innisfree. Talking about love and packaging, I think we are forgetting elf cosmetics. I got this primer and I thought that's gonna be like a green primer because basically that's for like redness and everything, ye blemish control karega. So I thought that maybe it has some green hues or something, but that's not the case. It's literally, you know what, white in color. So I can't wait to try this on कि कैसे blemish वगैरह control करेगा. But I know if it's saying that it's gonna cover, it's gonna control, then it's definitely gonna control. So yeah, it feels very smooth too. Next we have this mascara. This is Better Than Sex mascara from Too Faced. Can you believe this? I am having something from Too Faced in my hands, and this is like so small. I don't care about that because पहली बात तो I got this in sale, and दूसरी बात I got this like Too Faced, and it's so cute. And this is one more thing which is basically I'm very much excited about. This is a lip injection. It has that unicorny hues in it, and I overline my lips like so much, so I just cannot wait to try this on. Like I'm literally priming my lips every day, and you know what this is. जब मैं एक्साइटेड हो रही थी तो ये क्या गिरा, इसके अंदर ये एक लंबी सी लिस्ट है ऑफ वार्निंग्स दैट इफ़ यू फील इरिटेशन और समथिंग तो इसको यूज़ मत करना, एंड इट्स लाइक अ होल लिस्ट इन डिफरेंट डिफरेंट लैंग्वेजेस.